Hello friends, if you feel like this, that a married woman wants you or loves you but you are confused. So there are some ways by which you can easily know whether that woman truly loves you or not. However, in today's time, there is no age restriction for falling in love, even for boys these days except those aged 40 to 50. Not only young men, but some married women have also started falling in love with men. According to a study, sometimes mental dissatisfaction also becomes a major reason for this. Along with this, mutual fight between husband and wife can also be a reason. And hence married women start changing their behavior to express these desires of their mind or heart, or to share these things with someone. So those women do some such actions or gestures during this, or she says things which you can guess by looking at them, that the married woman has started liking you very much, and then the woman wants you to understand her gestures and take the initiative. But friends, most of us men or boys do not understand the signals of women that what they want, but friends, do not worry, because today we are going to tell you that if a married woman wants to have a relationship with you, then what should she do towards you? Does she make gestures? There can be many reasons behind married women making love gestures, and according to a study, those women who are not satisfied with their married life, i.e., with their husband, they mostly like to flirt with other men. That is, to fulfill her needs, she goes to other men, and it has also been seen many times that after marriage, the attachment between husband and wife reduces. In such a situation also, most of the women start giving feelings to the other man, or starts liking other men. And by the way, it is common for some married women to flirt or make gestures, but many times it is wrong to mistake their simple conversations for love. Actually, nowadays there is no age limit for love, but still you are very confused about whether that married woman loves you or not, then you can understand very easily from the gestures of that woman. According to a study, when a married woman likes or loves a man very much, the woman's behavior changes towards that man. That is, a woman's love becomes more towards that man, but the woman herself is never able to tell that man that I love you. The reason for this could also be that a married woman has many of her own compulsions, because they have a limited circle in our society, and the woman who can never be broken and comes before us at all, but she can never suppress her heart's desires. Number 1, pay attention to the body language of a married woman. According to a study, if a married woman truly loves someone, then that woman, she makes every possible effort to get closer to that man. And during this time, it is very important to understand the body language of the woman. The married woman is trying to stay close to you all the time, and along with this, the woman may repeatedly hold your hand while talking. Or if she tries to touch you again and again, then understand that she is attracted towards you and loves you, because this is also a sign of love. Number 2, married woman will start talking to you herself. It has been proved in a study that when a married woman starts liking you or starts loving you, then the woman herself will come to you and start talking. And along with this, as soon as she sees you, you will see a slight smile on her face, and that woman will say some such things to you, after listening to which you will understand completely that the woman has started liking you, because the woman wants that you always keep talking to her at such times, and with this, the woman starts liking your company very much, and whenever she talks to you, she will make eye contact with you. During this time, you will be shy in the eyes of the woman, and if such actions, if you see her again and again, you will definitely understand that the woman has started taking interest in you or has started loving you. Number 3, married woman will always ask you about your girlfriend. This has also been found during a study, that when a married woman is interested in you or loves you, she will always ask you only one question, or she will definitely want to know whether you have any girlfriend or any life partner in your life, and whether you like any girl or woman. Do you? Because by asking you this question again and again, the woman wants to make you realize that if there is no other girl in your life, so that woman wants to come into your life, and she will give you this kind of gesture, which will show that she likes you very much. Number 4, married woman will talk to you with double meaning. This is the most special and very interesting thing, because any married woman likes to talk with double meaning, although that woman does not talk with everyone in her life with double meaning. Gets it? So this is also a sign that will let you know clearly that the woman is ready to sacrifice her life for you. That means she wants to have a relationship with you. Because there are some double meaning things which will make you understand that the woman wants to share a relationship with you. And by saying such things, she is giving you a green signal, which means that the woman likes you very much. Number 5. Woman will make gestures for you with her hands. In a study, it has been found that women often make some such gestures with their hands during mutual conversation, through which you can find out what she wants. If a woman makes gestures with her hands after seeing you, if you touch her neck or arm, it is her signal that you can take the first initiative to talk to her, which is why she does this. Because she tries to attract you with her gestures, or she does it because she is very interested in you or loves you. Number 6, will feel jealous seeing you with someone else. It has been proven in a study that if a man loves a woman, and when that woman talks with another man, then the man feels jealous. Similarly, when you are talking close to another woman or a girl, that married woman will feel jealous, and it is also possible that the woman may not talk to you for some time, or may get angry at you, or may even turn her face away from you. So if you feel or are doing something like this, then you should understand that you are in her mind. There is definitely something going on, and that woman is very attracted towards you or is in love with you. Number 7. Woman will talk to you by making eye contact. According to a study, women's eyes also say a lot, so we just need to look at them very deeply and understand them well. And if any married woman is talking to you by making eye contact for a long time, then after some time, she also lowers her eyes from you out of shyness. So it is okay to call it a gesture of love, because it is a loving gesture which shows that the woman truly loves you. Number 8. The woman will smile sweetly after seeing you. It is absolutely true that when a woman loves someone, then whenever you go in front of that woman in some way or the other, that woman will welcome you in this way. She will always welcome you with a lovely smile. And apart from this, the woman will start adjusting her clothes after seeing you. This is also a sign that the woman truly loves you. Number 9. The woman will speak flirtatious dialogues with you. In a study, it has been found that if a married woman truly loves you, then she will make flirtatious remarks on everything, and apart from this, she will also attract your attention by telling some funny jokes. We'll also try to attract if this is happening to you, so you should understand that the woman truly loves you and wants to be in a relationship with you. Number 10. See the change in the woman's voice. According to a study, if a married woman loves you, then the woman's voice will become more flirtatious than before, and along with this, whenever the man says anything, she will say great words to attract him. You can use this, and during this, the tone of the woman's voice will become even more friendly. So from all these things, it can be clearly determined that the woman loves being with him. So friends, from these gestures we can find out whether a married woman is getting attracted towards you or not, and if so, to what extent. Does she want to have a relationship with you? After listening to all these things, you people must have understood what you should do now.